guys, what's up? We're back with another video, another one on these Amazon wigs. Like, you guys loved the last one, so we have to do another one. And this one is going to be a try on, basically right here with you guys. My camera's about to die, but it's okay because we're gonna do this quickly, probably no longer than 10 minutes, because I'm gonna just show you the next three wigs that I got, and hopefully we like them, because I didn't do this one I didn't do any no TikTok videos, no nothing, no pictures, no nothing. I haven't done anything. I just did my makeup and I'm about to try the wigs on with you guys. So yeah, let's get to it. Our first wig, thank you, is a curly pink wig. Like, OMG, like, I'm excited to see how this looks. I had to get it. It was like $26, 25 plus, you know, something, but I'm gonna put it right here so you guys can see. And yeah, let's try this wig on because I'm excited. I literally just took it out the bag. If you saw my previous videos, it's pretty much the same. They come in a bag and it comes with a wig cap, and this one, two wig caps, but I put both of them on. But yeah, let's do it. So I'm just gonna put this on. Hold on. Hold up, honey. I don't know, but this is giving me what's love got to do with it? What's love but a second hand emotion?
You don't like Tina Turner.
Yeah, I just said that. I like it. It's giving, like, and I got my leather. Oh shit! Almost dropped my phone, but I got my leather top. What's love got to do with it? Got to do with it? This is fire. I love it. Do you love it? Because I love it. Like, what? This feels like a real curly hair. Like, this feels nice and fluffy. It doesn't have a smell to it. It's really like, the more you pick it, the fluffier it gets, as you see. But yeah, this is like real festive vibes. This is like, I'm going to the festival, or I might just go to the club with my pink outfit on, or like, what we doing? Like, cause I'm outside with pink hair. Like, oh, this is fire. I like it. I need you guys to comment right now what you think, on a scale of 1 to 10. What you think this is? Is it a 1? Is it a 2? Is it a baddie like 10? Is it 10,000? I need to know. Cause if you like it, I'm coming outside like this. Like, definitely coming outside. I love it. But we're about to go on to the next one. Next, we have a classico red wig. I don't know if you see my last one, but this is similar to the last one that I got. Pretty long. Straight out the bag is giving like frizzy, staticky, synthetic, fake vibe. Like, it's definitely giving that, but it is synthetic, so you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. But yeah, just making sure ain't no bugs in there. That's a piece of lint. Yeah, it's a piece of lint. So basically, this one doesn't have any hooks. It has like strings, where the curly one has hooks so you can hook it onto your hair. But I wouldn't suggest that because you don't want to rip your hair out. You just leave it as is. Just don't dirty wine in the club and you'll be fine. So let's put this one on. I'm not gonna flip it because I feel like it's already getting messy. It's getting me messy. Alright, let's try this on. Let's try this on. Put this. Go to the back. Woo. Okay. This is giving. Without no brush. This is the side profile. It's giving like Little Mermaid. It's a side profile. I wouldn't wear it like that, of course, but side profile is looking nice. Back profile, like, yeah, we coming outside, like, I'm that bitch. It's giving like a little staticky, but it's fine. Ooh. This is giving me like stripper, like, we're going to the club. I'm sweating bullets over here. We going to the club, like, oh shit. This is giving me baddie, like. Woo. Yes. It's giving flow. Hustle and flow. Yeah, this is a nice one right here. Fluff out the bang a little bit. It's a little too long for my liking because it's touching my eyes, but it's fine because it's still like baddie. Oh, let's see if I can milli wrap. Ooh, come on, my alarms. What is giving? It's giving sweat. Huh?
You like your mother?
I like my mother?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's giving my mother. I'm about to put a picture right here of my mother. It's giving my mother. Do I look like her?
I look good though.
Let me know. I like it. It's a little itchy, a little staticky, but it's fine because I can still rock it. You can put a little scarf over if you're feeling like Rihanna. Want to do what you want to do. I like it. I'm still loving the pink as #1 because I'm loving the curly, but like this one is real sexy. That I like it. I might go on a date with it or so. We'll see. This is that Guap Guap 10,000 wig, right?
Oh.
No?
Yeah.
Okay. He said yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You said yeah.
All right, on to the next one. The last one is just a classic. It's like the blonde one that was in my last video, and everybody fell in love with the short blonde one because they was like, yo, that's the one. That's the one. And I fell in love with it. It was giving me drunken love vibes. I don't know if you saw that. If you didn't see that, you need to click that thing above and just go watch that because that was good fun. But so this is a black one. I just took it straight out the net. All these come with a cap. I just used one cap though. This one actually has the combs, the clip. Yeah, I don't really like those. Like I said, I feel like they pull my hair out, but everybody's different. Everybody like their own things. Let me push my cap back up. Pull it back up. Yeah, I gotta protect my hair. All right. So let's go. Let's try and do this one. This one might be a little tighter, which I like though. Did I got it on right? Oh. Okay, this is a classic. Like I'm going to work. Oh shit, I almost fell off my chair. And look, I fixed it like, so this is the same wig that I had got in my last video, which was in blonde. And I was telling you guys that I love the way it feels, and like literally I combed it with my hands, and look, I don't even have to comb it. You can fluff it just a little bit to give you that look. That like, hey, what's up? Yeah, this is looking like a wet wig. Let me see. This is not drunken love vibes for sure. This is calm. It's not my favorite. It's my least favorite. I really don't like black wigs unless it's a long black wig. So yeah, it's not my favorite. but I like it. Feels soft. Love the quality of the wig because the quality of my last wigs are also good. I actually have this one in red. I'm gonna show you guys it in red. Can you go in the drawer and give me the red wig? Yeah, it should be in the, no, in the bottom ones. So let me put this other one on so you guys can see it. Ah, love. So again, I'm just running this through my hands, with my hands. Yeah. I absolutely love these. It sheds a little bit, but not a lot. So, yeah. It's giving what it needs to give. I'll put the link in for all the wigs that I showed you guys in the link below. I'll also show pictures. I'm showing pictures everywhere. So if you like watching this video through the, like watching the whole video, then you already know. But for people who like to skip through and skim through, like, and go to the end and stuff, like, I did put up the pictures of every single one that I used. So yes, I need you guys to do me a favor and comment below and rate all the wigs. Like, how many wigs I did? The first one was Sammy. We did like Big Red. Then we got Classic, and then we have the red one. So 1, 2, 3, 4 wigs, and I need you to rate them number 1 through 10, 2, 1 through 10, 3, 1 through 10, etc. So do that for me now, and also I need you guys to make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Please, please, please subscribe if you like my videos. There will be more. I want you guys to let me know what you like, what you would like to see. I am open for pretty much everything. Rate my wigs, please, and I love you guys. So yes, make sure you subscribe and follow me on all my social medias. Youlovesonataaa, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, everything. And yes.